Hi, and welcome to 3Questions with. Got my buddy Kyle Guy with us from KG Law. Hey, Kyle, welcome to the show.
Hey, morning, Kevin. How are you?
I live in the dream, my friend. Let's start at the beginning, Kyle. Tell us a little bit about KG Law. What do you do?
Sure. We at KG Law, we help serious entrepreneurs turn their ideas into successful companies. What that means is I like to describe it as we work in the maternity ward of businesses.
Hmm.
So, when when you're up at night and you get that idea at 2 a.m., hey, I want to, sell this product or start this service or buy this property or something. People call us and they say, Kyle, how can we do it? And, we discuss things like limited liability and contracting, as well as building the right team. What's your mindset on the project? What are your goals? And, how does it fit into your lifestyle and overall, kind of plan?
Kyle, that has to be super exciting when someone calls you like, oh my, that is an idea and a half. That's got to be really cool.
I love it. I love it because, at that point in time, really, you just have so much potential ahead of you. And in today's economy, with where we are with technology and the connectivity of people, it's amazing the level of projects that we get to work on and help people with. And, and we want to help people get to where we are. My business itself was an idea. I was a reluctant entrepreneur because I graduated in 2011 and lawyers were being laid off like over 1,000 a month as the tailwinds of the 2008 financial crisis. So I had more opportunity to perform legal services than I had for legal employment. And living on a couch for a couple months and, doing what you have to do to build a business, I now take that experience and, and then with the pandemic, that was another learning experience, converting the firm to, a more remote and virtual, and then being able to then help our clients, our entrepreneurs, survive these things as well too. It's been challenging, but we get up every morning, 4 or 5 in the morning, and work all day, and we love doing it.
But Kyle, the other flip side of that is just protecting people, because sometimes you have an amazing idea and you don't know what to do with it. You may be, talking to the wrong people, you're not protecting yourself, or like you said, you take a form of ownership that's leaving a lot of liability on the table. So just having someone with your experience to say, okay, that is an amazing idea. Here's how you protect it. Crucial, right?
It's critical. And, the law affords that benefit of limited liability to entrepreneurs if they avail themselves of the formalities that are necessary in order to get that limited liability protection. And unfortunately, this is not an area of law that a lot of everyday people have a lot of exposure to or access to affordable counsel. I know for a fact that most of the attorneys that do what I do in Boston charge over $500 an hour. I know that for a fact. But I was able to come in and fill a void in the market by, coming in a little at a lower price point, but then focusing on these primarily mom and pop companies until I got really familiar and sophisticated and started providing higher value, where now my clients, I still work with the mom and pop construction company 100%. They're a foundation to our business, but we've also had the opportunity to work with Forbes 30 under 30 companies and, some market leaders in certain industries.
So Kyle, what's the best way for people to reach out to you? How can they learn more?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, we have a website, mabusinessattorney.com, and that will give you kind of an idea of kind of who I am, who the business is, and who our target client is. Like I said, we're looking for serious entrepreneurs. And then they can also email us. My email is Kyle, Kyle, at mabusinessattorney.com.
Kyle, I appreciate you taking a few minutes to jump on the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you, Kev.